I'm Ron McNeil, and today I'm in Cowarts, a small community in the southern part of Alabama. I'm the president of McNeil Technologies. I personally invented the Triplex Liner system. It is a fiberglass liner with a non-porous membrane sandwiched between the structural layers of fiberglass. We're here to solve some environmental problems in their sewer system by lining their manholes, which has a tremendous amount of infiltration. Like many small cities, they collect their sewage here and pump it to a larger community for treatment. Last year they had us come in and do 31 structures, and it saved them a lot of money because they did 31 of their worst structures. This year they had us come back and we're doing 71 structures, and it will save them a tremendous amount of money in their treatment costs of the sewage. Our liner bonds to the host structure. It's a cured in place process, so you do not have to dig up the streets or anything. You lower it in place, inflate it, inject steam to cure it, and in about an hour, it's a totally monolithic structure from the ring and cover all the way down to the invert. This product is great for manholes, for sewage pump stations, for culverts under the road, any large structure that you need to protect.
I'm Randy Rowland. I'm mayor of Cowarts, Alabama. I've been employed and elected official for Houston County for around 42 years. I've dealt with manholes, water, about any kind of water problem you can have, I've dealt with it. The Triplex system is the best system that I've ever dealt with, period. To me, it's a #1 product. Cannot beat it. If you want your manhole sealed, this is the product to use.